charged object to a neutral one when you touch. Imagine having a balloon in an empty cup. Now, lock the balloon to your head, and that will create a induction for the flow of electrons. Try to touch the balloon with your hand. If you touch the balloon with your hand, the negative charge flows directly to the metals. Metals are good conductors. They allow the charges to move easily. That is charge.
Let's dive into the second transfer of charge. The induction is a process that transfers electric charges without negatively charged.
Just imagine holding a balloon that is negatively charged and close it to a small piece of paper. The balloon that is negatively charged forces the paper's electrons out of the way, and leaving the paper surface positively charged. The rearrangement causes the piece of paper slanted to the balloon.
And that's true, guys. Can we say in real life without doing experimental things? It is when letting strike accumulate charge. This causes deposit charge in the ground, leading to a very strong understanding of action of things. Understand what is wonderful natural.
Third and last one, we have friction. Friction is when two objects rub against each other. They will actually trade electrons with each other. This causes the creation of opposite charges of two objects. For example, your hair gets positively charged when you rub your hair with a balloon. On the other hand, it becomes negatively charged after absorbing electrons from the above mentioned here.
So to recap, guys, conducting is when the two things comes to direct touch. Conduction occurs enabling the charges to move differently. Induction happens without physical contact, when the charges particles rearrange due to the presence of an object that is near to it.
Friction. Friction is when two things are rubbed together